Hey, I'm Andrew.
I'm Dennis.
We're the Crafty Lumberjacks, and we're so excited to be here with Works Tools talking all things Maker X, specifically the angle grinder.
Yes, if you're new to the Maker X system, it's a system of tools made for makers, crafters, and DIYers.
All the tools you need made better, smarter, more precise, and portable. Tools designed with you, the creator, in mind.
Now, every tool in the Maker X system connects to this hub. This hub then connects to a battery, and the battery that it connects to is the 20-volt PowerShare battery line.
That means that you don't have to just use this battery for the Maker X. This can be used with the entire 20-volt PowerShare line across Works Tools.
Yeah, we use it for our drill, our leaf blower, our hedge trimmers.
It just makes everything so easy.
Yes, and the Maker X is always advancing, so now it even comes with a USB port and even a handy dandy clip.
Yes, which means it's even more portable than before. Now, this is the angle grinder. It looks small, but don't be fooled, there is a ton of power in this.
It comes with 5 different accessories, but the best thing about this is not only can you use the accessories that it comes with, you can use accessories from any brand as long as it is 1.5 inch or a 2-inch blade.
Now, to change out the blade, it is super easy to do. All you have to do is press down the lock button and use the Allen wrench that it comes with, and then twist off the middle part until it fully unscrews. Then you can swap it out, put back that middle piece, and then you want to screw it in until it's fully tight. Make sure it's really nice and tight.
Yeah, so you don't want those blades flying off.
All right, now to connect it to the hub, it's just as easy as every other tool. You just want to line it up and plug it in.
Yep, to turn it on, you press the power button, and you can also control the speed for a more precise control across various different types of craft material, like tile, wood. You can use it
Metal.
for sanding.
Yes.
A whole bunch of different projects.
Now, the angle grinder comes with a safety guard, but we do recommend that you wear proper protection, gloves, eyewear, and work in a well-ventilated area.
Yes, one of our favorite projects we actually made with this was a dreidel. We turned a wooden block into a dreidel, and it actually worked.
It's crazy. This tool is so versatile. It is great for things all around your house. We can't wait to see what you do.
And we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.